Ang parating ginagamit ngayon na salita, accountability. So parating sinasabi ni Senator Risa Hontiveros, the Vice President should be accountable. But dapat naman kung may offenses ka rin, allegations of offenses, you are also accountable. So today, andito po kami, together with myself, former Congressman Jig Paras, my good friend, Attorney Ferdinand Topacio, Attorney Manuel Luna. We're filing a case for disorderly conduct of Senator Risa Hontiveros with the Committee on Ethics. Because under our Constitution, itong provision na ito?
Article 6, Section 16.
Oh, sabihin mo, partner.
Yeah, it's in Article 6, Section 16, Paragraph 3. Yun po ang ating basehan dito sa aming ethics complaint against Senator Risa Hontiveros. So, as explained by former Congressman Cinto Paras, kaming tatlo ang complainants dito.
Ito po yung specific provision. No? Each house may determine the rules of the rules of its procedures, punish its members from disorderly behavior, and with the concurrence of 2/3 of all members, suspend or expel a member. A penalty of suspension when imposed shall not exceed 60 days. So, siguro kayong mga media na narinig nyo na yung statement noong si alias Rene. No? Itong si alias Rene, nagsabi siya na binayaran daw siya ng 1 million ni Senator Risa Hontiveros through her underlings to testify. Prior to that, nag-testify siya kasi she was asked to testify with some consideration. Ang atin naman, hindi naman kami sabi conclusive. Pero dapat may venue for which a senator should be answerable for their offenses. No? Sabi sa ating saligang batas, dapat ang Senado lang ang makadisiplina ng kanilang